years France have waited for a race winner. Could it be today? Will it be a Suzuki? Will it be a Yamaha? Could it be a Ducati? Or will it be that man on that Honda once more? Here he comes, El Diablo, the devil. He's been told before, but he's not had a bigger chance than he has today. Chapter 8, the Dutch TT, awaits us here in Assen. The red flag is removed. It's time to dance in Motogp. The lights go out, a good start there from all on the front row. In fact, Berbagai didn't get away too bad. Petrucci got away well on the Ducati, but Alex Rins is going to take the lead ahead of his teammate, Joan Mir, into turn 1.
Loses one place off the line. Oh, he's brilliant. Ruthless up the inside of Vinales coming into turn 6 and 7. He went a little bit wide though. Running hot, Vinales finds a way straight back through. Marquez strikes up. That's ruthless, merciless Marquez.
Vinales has gone through.
Oh, Rins is down. No way.
Can you believe it?
Oh, what a massive blow for his championship. For Rins, what a disaster.
Oh, Mir's wide. It's a rookie 1-2. Quartararo lead.
Dovizioso used the power of the Ducati through Beach Lane.
And that's wide from Vinales. He allows Marquez through, and Marquez just continues to plough through the field, not because he's overtaking people, because people just keep on making mistakes in front of him. Rossi's down. Here comes Maverick Vinales for another go, and Marquez, he gets up alongside him. This is really brave, but no.
Marc Marquez is a monster to pass.
Vinales has made a mistake. He's gone way wide into turn 1. Look at the bike.
What is going on with the stability?
He's going to get past here by Marquez. It's happened again.
Brilliant. Quartararo's got Marquez back.
Maverick Vinales. Can he get close enough now? Yes, he can. Maverick Vinales has been waiting laps and laps and laps to do that. Maverick Vinales is now having problems on the back straight with that wind. He's gone through. Maverick Vinales has made a mistake.
Look how quickly Vinales got right back on it. He's going to move through into Honda Heider.
Into the final sector for the Rocket. Marquez might be in charge of the championship, but Mac is back in town. He wins here in Assen. Number 12 takes the Dutch TT. Phillip Island seems like quite a long time ago now.